Good old cashew butter. It's tasty, it spreads well, it's a good source of protein and fats, but let's be real, y'all. It can just be a little pricey.
He ain't lying.
And while you might be able to find some cashew butters for as low as $7, most are going to run you anywhere around $10 for a 16-ounce jar, some for as high as even $17 or $18 for a jar. Yeah, this inflation right now ain't no joke. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own cashew butter at home while saving a few extra dollars along the way. And literally all you need are cashews and a high-powered blender or food processor, nothing else. Now, I bought this 2-pound bag of raw cashews for about $20, and I can literally make about 3 16-ounce jars worth of cashew butter from this one bag. Not 1,
Not 2, not 3, not 4, not 5, not 6.
just 3. Yeah, just about 3. I just want to level set expectations here. All right, let's go ahead and get this party started, shall we? All right, so first we're gonna roast 3 cups of cashews in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 7 to 10 minutes. This is gonna help release some of its natural oils and also enhance the flavor a bit. And I'm gonna measure out 3 cups of raw cashews. 1, 2, 3. All right, so now we're just gonna spread these out a bit. So again, 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 7 to 10 minutes. In we go. All right, it has been almost exactly 9 minutes. The cashews now have a nice smelling aroma. You should be able to smell the cashews a bit. So we're just gonna let this cool off for a few minutes while we get the blender set up. Okay, so now it's time for the fun part, which is the blending. Now, again, you can use either a blender or a food processor here. In this case, we have our Vitamix. As long as it's a high-powered blender, you should be okay. So now we're going to pour in all of our cashews. Put on our top. Okay, now one thing to note is that this process takes patience. So just give it some time. First, it's gonna grind the cashews up into a fine powder, and then that powder is gonna turn into something like a dough ball, and then eventually that dough ball is going to form into a nice, smooth, buttery consistency. But you gotta give it time and just trust the process. All right, so here we go. Okay, so every now and then you might have to stop the blender and then use something like this rubber spatula here to just scrape down the sides. So we'll probably have to stop and do this a few more times, just scrape down the sides a bit. All right, so now that this is done, we're gonna go ahead and transfer it over into our mason jar. Look at that, sliding right off. Smoother than a fresh jar of Skippy. Well, I guess technically not Skippy since Skippy is a peanut butter brand, but y'all know what I mean. All right, 16 ounces, folks. Gotta give it the spoon test real quick. Oh yeah, that is what we're looking for. Okay, so now in terms of storing this, you can either put it in the fridge, or what we like to do is keep it in our pantry. These are airtight tops that we use for different things like fermenting, juicing, and also for these nut butters. They help to keep things nice and fresh. With this, just keeping it at room temperature, we've been able to keep it for up to 2 weeks. But of course, it's always best to try to consume it as quickly as possible while it's in its freshest state. So you can obviously put this on whatever you like, but for today, I'm gonna add this to one of my favorite smoothies. Add a little banana, some mixed berries, soy milk, chia seeds, and acai powder, beetroot powder, a little bit of this coconut yogurt. Last but not least, 1 heaping scoop of our cashew butter. I ain't gonna lie, that tastes really good. Give this a blend. So let me know what you all think in the comments below, especially if you decide to make this. And on this channel, we post a lot of plant-based recipes as well as nutrition tips to help you maximize your wellness and longevity. If you want to see how to make an easy date jam recipe that you can use as a natural sweetener, then click on this video that you see here in the top right. In the meantime, stay young, stay healthy, and live well, friends. Peace.